I'll do a little video for anyone who's trying to take apart a 2020 or a 2021 Ford Explorer. And what we're trying to do today is we're going to run a power wire from the center console in the middle area all the way up. And we're going to run it up into this little crack right here. There seems to be enough room to run a micro USB up into our Qi charger up on the dash. We like this in the spot because this particular one allows us to see the visual, the map a little bit better than what we're seeing on the screen. So what you got to do is under the bottom here, there is a separation between the two. And if you pull hard enough on this plastic, this item will completely come out, and you'll see that instantly Steely Dan Hey 19 will start playing. Now let's go ahead and turn that down. So it comes off. You've got a couple of clip holders on either side here, on the right and on the left, and that's pretty much all holding is these two right here and these three, and you got access to the back of your starter. Now you can take the time to unplug all the clips out of the back. I wouldn't recommend it if you're just going to run wire like I am. But that's all we need to do to get out the center console to run a wire up into your charger if you need to be.